Hello everyone. Welcome to Mustaganam School of AI. This is week 4 lesson 2 and 3 description. It is always about supervised machine learning. In the first lesson, we will go deeper in regressors and discover logistic classifiers. It is divided into these points: pre-processing data, single and multivariate regressors, regularization, logistic regression classifier, confusion matrices. In the third lesson, we will see other types of classifier and regressors: the support vector machines and the naive Bayes classifier. The points are: support vector machines, kernel SVM regressor, face recognition with SVM, naive Bayes classification, Gaussian naive Bayes, multinomial naive Bayes. In these lessons, you will see multiple aspects related to regression. You will learn how to do classification. You will also discover particular types of regression and classification. As a classification example, you will be introduced to facial recognition problem. You will also be introduced to naive Bayes classifiers, and how to apply them using scikit-learn. At the end of the 3 lessons, you will have to do 3 quizzes and 1 assignment. In this later one, you are asked to write your code in a Kaggle's kernel. To be informed about the latest news, hit the subscribe button. Have a good day.